This innovative tool is a next-gen carbon removal multi-tool, which is designed to remove stubborn stuck-on carbon with ease. Made of non-hardened stainless steel, it also has a pin punch, cutter pin puller, detailing brushes, and a ballistic nylon sheath. The price is only $35. You get more than 10 tools for comprehensive cleaning, including a small and large firing pin scraper, an extractor scraper, several brushes, and a pin punch. The multi-tool weighs only 136 grams and is very compact thanks to its triangular shape. One of the best features of this tool is its ergonomic handle, which self-centers inside the upper to perfectly align with the barrel extension lugs. Next up is an ingeniously tool for railway maintenance operators. Although this tool might seem confusing, every railway maintainer will love it. The measurement module evaluates track gauge, super elevation, and rail cant and lets you complete all the track measurement tasks with an easy process. This tool features efficient sensors that use advanced laser light section technology and have a handy GRP lightweight supporting gauge, which helps you get your job done with the minimal effort and with the highest accuracy, no wonder. Furthermore, it calculates the twist in order to detect irregularities on site and to initiate the necessary maintenance tasks directly. Don't be confused by its different look. This is the Disconnect Tongs tool, which is especially made for disconnecting push to connect fittings and removing brass push fit fittings. The tool comes with unique jaws that have 3 different size teeth for firm grip on materials, ensuring secure and easy removal. On the other hand, it has an electroplated anti-rust body that extends its durability for long-term use. This tool also has rugged TPR-coated handles that maintain absolute comfort and control on demanding jobs. The enhanced disconnect tool is compatible with half-inch, 3/4 inch, and 1-inch plastic PEX CPVC and copper pipe fittings. It's weighing about 388 grams, and the price tag for this product is about $10. HDS is a new system for connected decking installation. The system is based on the screws being fitted in the sides of the decking boards instead of from above. Screws are only just visible when the strength is as good as the traditional installation. The installation tool is available in 2 different sizes. One tool for timber in width between 85 and 110 millimeters, and one for timber in width between 110 and 150 millimeters. Each tool comes with 2 bits. Screws are available in 2 different lengths: 50 millimeters for installation of decking timber in a thickness of 22 to 25 millimeters, and 60 millimeters for decking timber in thickness of 25 to 35 millimeters. The price is $123. Next on the list is Sea Snake Micro Reel. It's a comparatively small but mighty inspection tool that lets you get detailed images and ensure upright viewing angles in various in-pipe conditions. You'll get crisp, clear images every time thanks to the high-quality LED lights and auto-flip imagery. The best pro of this micro reel is its TrueSense technology, which takes your inspections to the next level. On the top of the Sea Snake Micro Reel has a lightweight profile and a built-in kickstand that enables effortless transportation and setup. Medium flexible push cable is ideal for smaller diameters, 38 to 127 millimeters, and tight band inspections up to 30 meters. It's weighing about 5.8 kilograms and the price is $4,420. Our selection continues with this amazing tool. Having trouble finishing your riveting project? Here's a pneumatic rivet gun that's gonna save your day. This Hay of Sun rivet gun is built to maintain industrial grade quality and stable performance in all riveting jobs. It comes with precision parts and strong power to boost your work speed. On top of that, this self-locking rivet gun is way easier to operate than your old ones. No matter which materials you're tackling, metal sheet pipes cabinets or chassis manufacturing, this rivet gun will handle them with ease. No wonder the quick changeable head of this tool will take your productivity to next level. The price is about $150 and weight about 2 kilograms. This is a specially made tool for automotive workers who often meet glass removing tasks. It simplifies the way to prevent and avoid any kind of damaging issues. Plus, it provides ample power to quickly remove the most difficult glasses. It comes in a compact design that makes it very easy to maneuver in tight spaces and has a perfect weight distribution for achieving the best outcome. And no longer need to worry about stability. It features a powerful motor that delivers consistent efficiency and never compromises on power, meaning there is no room for vibration at all. The price is $972 and it's weighing about 2.7 kilograms. It features a bright LED light to provide visibility in dark work areas. Designed to safely and effortlessly slice through shrink warp, stretch warp, packing tape, and plastic straps. This handy cutter uses a sturdy steel blade to cut through all those holiday packing materials to quickly get you to the goods. The price is $2. The Fish Face Form True Utility is an 18-in-1 EDC multi-tool no larger than other keys on your keychain, but it puts in overtime. It features flips and flat screwdrivers, wrenches, hex drive, pry bar, file, nail tool, bottle opener, box opener, and cutter. The price is $14. Carry this tiny light on your keychain and you'll never be stuck in the dark. With an output of 500 lumens, it's the perfect compact flashlight to take camping, use around the house, even crawl under your car to check your oil with. The 5 settings let you choose just how bright you want the light to shine and extends the life of the 28 mAh battery to up to 70 hours of continuous runtime. It weighs just 28 grams, attaches to your keychain, and is easily charged via USB-C to ensure shorter charge time and greater power. The price is $22. Designed to simplify the task of tightening cordage, this is the ultimate tool for getting lines tight. Combining a carabiner with a locking cam mechanism, it makes securing, tensioning, and lashing down loads easier. Clip the carabiner to a fixed anchor point. Then use the cam mechanism to safely connect, tension, and easily release your cord. The price tag for this product is $9.